Want to make your Excel files look professional and easy to navigate, just like a real app? In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom navigation bar in Excel, step by step. A navigation bar helps you move between sheets and sections quickly. It's perfect for dashboards, reports, or templates you want to share with others. Instead of clicking through sheet tabs, you'll have buttons that guide users, clean, modern, and interactive.
Navigate through 10 years of data from 2025 to 2015. When your data is ready, navigate to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes and select the rectangle shape. Draw the shape. Resize the shape as needed in its corners. Go to Shape Fill and change the shape's color. Remove Outline from Shape Outline. Go to the Insert tab, click and select Shapes and choose the rounded corner shape. Draw, adjust the position, and customize it as needed. Go to Shape Fill and select the color of your choice. For the shape effect, go to Shape Effect and pick a form that complements your shape. For the outline, go to Shape Outline and pick a color that complements your shape. Enter the year 2025. Hold Ctrl and drag the shape to duplicate it. Continue duplicating the shapes by holding the Ctrl key and dragging with the mouse. Enter the years from 2025 to 2015. Now, select all shapes by holding the Ctrl key. Go to the Format tab, click on Align and select Align Left. Then, click on Align again and select Distribute Vertically. Notice how the shapes are properly aligned.
Select the first shape, 2025, and press Ctrl+K and link it to the 2025 sheet, then click OK. Select the second shape, press Ctrl+K, and choose the sheet to link it on, 2024 sheet, and click OK. Repeat the process for the rest of the shapes, linking each one to its corresponding year from 2023 to 2015.
Select the range of columns containing the shapes and data. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Navigate to the 2024 sheet and press Ctrl+V to paste. Repeat the pasting process for the remaining sheets 2023 to 2015 by pressing Ctrl+V in each sheet. And that's how you can create a simple and effective navigation bar in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love Excel tips.